viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. In previous video we have seen UI design for online courses. In that video I promised that I will come with more UI design for it. So in previous design we look for these three UIs, and today we are going to have two more UI design. So this is my courses. After purchasing the courses, the UI page will be look this. This is a course which is in progress, and this is the topics which is running now. So this is the three tab, which is label, which will look as a tab. When we click on category, it will show category, and when we click on lecturer, it will show lecturer. And this is entry box for searching course. After that, when you click on topic, it will open the page for showing the video description, and also run the video when on page load. So let's see the code for it. So main control is grid control. Under grid control, there are I have added 4 rows. In first row, I will have entry search entry text box for search course. It is created by frame. Under frame, I have added entry, and corner radius is 30, and border color is a light gray. It will you look as look for border, it will look nice. After that, entry color and text color, whatever you want to give. And this is placeholder color, what color you want to this is placeholder color, what color you want to display for placeholder. After, in second row, I added frame for course in progress. In frame, I have added grid. In the grid, having 4 row. So this is first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Sorry, I have not added here. If you not add auto or star, then it will automatically take auto. So this is first row for label. In second row, this is digital marketing, and what number of name of the lecturer. This, and this is image in column 0. This image having row span. The image is added in frame. I have taken this source from the internet URL. You can add, if you want, you can add image in your project and give that image name here. For example, you have added image, for example, example.png, then you have to write only example.png. You don't have to give path. After that, I have added 2 label in fourth row for number of lesson he has completed and total number of lesson. And in fifth row, the progress bar. This is the progress color and progress value. Progress value should be in 0 to 1. So 0.8 means 80%. In third row, I have added stack layout. Stack layout is orientation horizontal, so it will keep label in horizontal format. So I have added 3 labels for topic, category and lecturer, and this is label gesture recognition. It is used for click event. Label doesn't have click event, so we have to use gesture initialization. We will look click event logic later. After that, I have added list view. This is the 4th row. So the logic is that when I click on topic, it should show list view. When I click on category, it should show collection view. When I click on lecturer, it should show list view. So in 4th row, I have added 3 control, and first one is visible and other 2 are visible false. When you use list view, please add this as uneven row is equal to true. If you don't set property as true, then it will take default row size. The row size is 50, and it will look half of it. It will not take full height. So use as uneven row is equal to true. And this is separate visibility is equal to none. If you use default, then you will display line here. So if you want to display line, you can use default. There are only 2 properties. The list will look like this. It will have template, my topic view. So in topic view, I have added a frame having grid. In grid, this is font awesome. Font awesome is correspond to, and in second column, I have added 2 table for in 2 row. This is the topic name and this is lecturer name. Okay, I have set this margin -17 because by default it is taking space more, means Internet of Things is starting from here. So I have set -17, so it will reduce the space. We will look for font awesome now. I will share the code link in few days. So this is the font awesome having class, static class. I have given solid name, and it is having a property. This class will be available online, but don't worry, I will share this code. You just copy and paste and give the class name as font awesome. After that, add the in Android project, in asset folder, add this file. This is font file, and same file add in iOS folder in resource folder. I have not added, but if you want, you can add in resource folder, same font. After that, in app.xamarin, write this code. This is on platform. on platform is used for I have used two projects, Android and iOS. So this is the name of the this is name, and this is the font file name. If you have Windows, then add here Windows and give file name. Okay, now when we click on category, it will show collection view. So this is collection view. Collection view, it is orientation in item layout. The orientation is vertical and span is equal to 3. 3 means 3 column. So template I have used category view. In this is frame. Under frame I have added grid. This is font awesome, and this is label. After that we will look for lecturer. Lecturer, this is this is this is list view. So list view having a template lecture view. This is the frame, and having has shadow true, corner radius 20. Under frame I have is grid. This is image having row span 3. This is row span 3, and add this image. After that, this is label for first row, second row, and third row. After that, this is number of lesson in fourth row and performance. And this is you don't need this button. Remove this button. I kept by mistake. So in this layout we don't require this button, and a progress bar. So I have set the progress bar color as green and the progress value. We will look on click event. So now we will look on what is happening when we click on the label. So when we click on label, the selected, for example, I have clicked on topic, so it will text color will be black and this will be gray. So when I click on topic, the color is dark gray. It is similar to black, and if it is other than topic label, the other label will be gray, and list view will be visible, and other two control will be visible false. And same in category table, category label will be highlighted, other two label will be gray color, and the category collection view will be visible, and both list view will be visible false. Same in lecturer. So I hope you understand this page. We will move to the another page. When we click on topic, it will open this page, This is it will run this video when we open the page, and this is a simple label. So we will look for video. So you have to add a nugget media manager dot form in three project, all three project, in main project, Android project, iOS project. If you have Windows, then add nugget in Windows project. In main form, you have to add plugin media dot form. In Android, you have to add nugget plugin dot manager. Same in iOS. In Android, main activity class, add this line. And same in app delegate in iOS project. And this is the code you have to write in Android project, and this same code you have to write in app delegate in iOS project. Code is very simple. Call video view control by using the name you have given in namespace. This is frame. So in frame, I have added video view controller, and this is margin, because as you know, the frame has default padding 20. So I remove the padding, and this is autoplay is equal to true. Means if you click on when it will load the page, it will play automatically. After that, show control, it will show forward, backward, pause and play button. And this is video expect is equal to fill. It will fill whole page. And source, it is a video file. And this is label. Do you know which control is this? If you know which control is this in Xamarin, then please share with me. I want to implement this control. This is I will give you a hint. This is one type of scheduler, weekly calendar. Um, it will show week wise calendar. It will not show monthly calendar. But I search in Google, I did not get this control. So if you have any idea, then please share with me and please give detail in comment section, and please share me how do you like this video, and give me your feedback, and please like, share and comment my channel. Thank you.